Hi everyone. Today I wanted to just go over some seed catalogs that you can order for free in the mail in the US for your seed ordering. Most of these are seed companies that I've ordered from before, almost all of them, and I've had really good luck with the seeds. The first is Select Seeds. I just got their 2026 catalog. They have a lot of cut flowers varieties in here. Pine Tree has a combination of vegetable and flower seeds, and the prices are great. They have smaller seed packets, but the prices are lower than a lot of other seed companies. I'm waiting for their 2026 catalog. Brent and Becky's bulbs. I ordered a lot of my daffodil bulbs through them this fall, and I'm trying them out. Everyone knows Johnny's in Maine. This is their 2025 catalog, but I believe I just got their 2026 catalog as well. They do offer free shipping if you have an order over $200, but generally their shipping is pretty pricey, so it's good if you can find enough things that reach that $200 minimum. Prairie Moon Nursery specializes in native plants, and I actually have this plant that's on the cover. It's a native bee balm, and the bees love it, and it's great for native plants, and their prices are really good too. Then there's Seed Savers Exchange. I've always wanted to order from here. I haven't yet, but I did just get their catalog, and it's a lot of vegetables and a little bit of flowers. Here's the Johnny's 2026 catalog. John Sheeper's Kitchen Garden Seeds. They're excellent quality seeds. I've ordered for them many times. I love the illustrations, the black and white illustrations that are in their catalog. They're really amazing, actually. Although I know everyone likes color, but I just like the illustrations. And their pricing is a little high, but the seed quality is very good. And then Baker Creek offers free shipping in very unusual varieties of vegetables and flowers. And Geoseed I ordered from the last few years. Now Geoseed just got acquired by Harris Seeds. I haven't really enjoyed Harris Seeds before. They've been expensive and they haven't germinated well for me, so I'm disappointed that Geoseeds, got acquired by Harris Seeds, so we'll see what ends up happening with them. But Geoseed was my source for wholesale seeds for the last few years, so I'm disappointed. So I'll be ordering from other seed companies, I guess, from now on. And then I wanted to show you Arbico Organics. Now, I'm on some Facebook groups, gardening Facebook groups, and one of the Facebook groups I'm on is a flower farming Facebook group, and people were asking about organic methods to control pests. And one of my pests, I do have thrips and aphids, and I also have beetles that eat my echinacea, or some kind of unknown small beetle, among other pests. So what I have started doing is I ordered from Arbico Organics, and I'll show you what I've ordered in particular. I've ordered their garlic guard, which is good for aphid control, and let's see, for ants, aphids, armadillos, armyworms, beetles, burrs, caterpillars, deer, grasshoppers, leafhoppers, leaf miners, loopers, mealybugs, mites, rabbits, sawflies, whiteflies, and wireworms. So that's a natural pest repellent. And then I also spent some money on Botanigard, and I used it a couple times last summer, and I did not have any aphids. So I used this instead of the garlic guard. The garlic guard is a lot cheaper, so I just wanted to suggest these two options. The Botanigard is used for soft-bodied insects such as whiteflies, thrips, aphids, psyllids, mealybugs, scarab beetles, plant bugs, and weevils. So, and it contains Myo insecticide, Beauveria basinina strain. So it's a kind of natural insecticide. So, I wanted to show you guys what I use. I have ordered from all of these seed catalogs except for, like I said, the Seed Savers Exchange. But I feel like these are all really nice companies to order seeds and bulbs from. And I just wanted to share, these are common companies to order flower seeds and vegetable seeds from. Thank you for watching.